This is weirdly entertaining.
Okay, this is already proving to be very difficult.
I'm gonna be so sad if this does not work. People have assistants with these hacks normally because it seems like a more than one person job, okay? It's your girl Lajana and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below. But as you guys can see by the title, I'm giving you guys a hack or no fact video. This is actually the first one of this brand new series that I'm bringing on my channel. I basically just want to test a bunch of hacks for you guys and let you know if they work or not. Hey, only one of us has to do them, right? So as you guys can see today, I'm doing TikTok photo hacks. So we're gonna figure out if these super cool TikTok photo hacks really work, if we can use them for our Instagram, and how easy these hacks really are. So let's get right into the video. So the first hack that we're doing today is actually a super popular hack, one that everyone has probably seen by now, which was the mirror hack. So what it is that you just take a mirror outside and you try to get a super cute picture. The light is really nice and the background is super cool. Usually I've seen people do it with, like, you know, the clouds in the back, or they have cute nature pictures. I'm gonna try to get my best picture in my backyard, and guys, let's just roll the clip of that.
See, we're learning. So you gotta pull down the mirror, try to get the light. Y'all, this is hard. I'm just making this video so you guys can see what I'm seeing. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's hard for me to get a good picture because now I'm learning like how the lighting and stuff is working in the mirror. It's kind of complicated, but we're gonna get the picture.
So the next hack that we are going to be trying is actually a pretty cool hack. It's a hack that will turn any picture or any camera into a neon camera. So basically you just need tape, a marker, and a camera, of course. So roll that footage. Yeah, so I thought it would be fun to see if this one works like live, since I'm supposed to color it in. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna put tape over the camera. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, my fingerprints. Is anything happening? Anything happening at all? No. It's like blurry, but it's not. Maybe my highlighter doesn't work, guys. Okay, guys, I got a piece of tape that's like way too big for no reason, but we're gonna try the orange color this time and see if we can get a better result. Okay, the tape is on. We're gonna try the orange color, see if we can get a better result than the pink. It's sucked. But just so y'all can see the pink, I have the tape. So the pink, you can barely see it, but it did come off of the tape. I guess it's just didn't show up on camera, so we're gonna try the orange. Blurriness. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. Found a red marker. See, never give up. So this is gonna be my last resort. This is my last attempt at making the neon photo hack work. Take a piece of tape, put it down, and color on it. Guys, this one might work. It's a lot more like concentrated, the color, and it's just sticking a lot better. This I have a little bit more faith in. Actually, I'm actually starting to wonder how transparent this is gonna be able to be, because it's actually pretty concentrated. Okay guys, she's not perfect. She's not perfect at all, but this one might work better. Let's see. Try to put a more saturated. Okay, look, okay. This is not at all what I thought would happen with this effect, but I'm glad I caught that on video. I'm gonna take pictures of this like this. The next hack was actually a CD hack, and I actually recorded myself outside doing this one, so roll the clip. Okay guys, so for this next hack, I'm supposed to take a CD, any type, and I'm supposed to reflect light off of this part of the CD, obviously not this part of the CD, and it's supposed to make some type of cool lighting for a picture. So I just wanted to make sure I had on my sunglasses. I want to flash sunlight directly into my face for obvious reasons, but we're gonna see. I don't really think that this is gonna do much, even though I know like this flashes rainbow normally. I don't think it's gonna flash rainbow on my face, but let's find out. Oh wow, this is like not as effective as I thought it was gonna be. And also the hole, you can definitely see the hole unless you put the hole over like your mouth while you're talking. You can definitely still see this. So I'm gonna try to get the best possible pictures out of this, and I will show them on the screen right now. Do they look cool? Are they cool? Am I cool yet? Am I a TikToker yet? No? Okay. And lastly, I did the toilet paper roll spotlight. Yeah, that one was interesting. Okay guys, I'm gonna flash the pictures that I get on the screen, but this one, it's kind of cute. Kind of like this one. It's like a little spotlight. It's very cool. This one's pretty cool, man. I like this one. Do people have assistants with these hacks normally? Because it seems like a more than one person job, okay? But this one, I think works, guys. Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!